Welcome to our channel, where we explore the depths of personal growth and wisdom. Today, we uncover the transformative practice of Stoic journaling and unveil 7 steps to elevate your life. Stoicism, an ancient philosophy, offers timeless guidance for navigating life's challenges with grace and resilience. By embracing Stoic journaling, we embark on a journey of self-discovery and inner transformation. Step 1. Morning reflection. Begin each day with reflection in your Stoic journal. Set intentions for the day ahead, contemplate Stoic principles, and visualize how you will embody them in your actions. Step 2. Daily gratitudes. Cultivate gratitude by recording 3 things you're grateful for each day. This practice shifts your focus to abundance and fosters a mindset of appreciation for life's blessings. Step 3. Acceptance of virtues. Reflect on Stoic virtues such as wisdom, courage, temperance, and justice. Contemplate how you can embody these virtues in your thoughts, words, and deeds. Step 4. Embrace impermanence. Acknowledge the transient nature of life and practice acceptance of impermanence. Reflect on the Stoic concept of memento mori, reminding yourself of the preciousness of each moment. Step 5. Evening review. Conclude your day with a reflective review in your Stoic journal. Examine your actions, virtues upheld, and areas for growth. Celebrate victories and learn from challenges. Step 6. Cultivate resilience. View setbacks as opportunities for growth and resilience. Journal about adversity you've faced, reflecting on Stoic principles and identifying lessons learned. Step 7. Practicing equanimity. Cultivate inner peace and equanimity by practicing acceptance of what is beyond your control. Journal about surrendering to the natural flow of life and finding serenity amidst chaos. And there you have it. 7 steps to unlock the transformative power of Stoic journaling and elevate every aspect of your life. Embrace this practice with dedication and intention, and watch as it illuminates your path to fulfillment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on personal growth and wisdom. Until next time, may you walk the path of Stoic virtue with courage and grace.